welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a showcase progression. This is like basically showing all my showcases from December to June. A little story time. I literally recorded this video twice with I didn't know that I didn't press record. I'm just so mad at myself. I've had to record this video 3 times. Okay, that's okay. Okay, so let's get into this first one. It was made in December of 2020, so let's join it. Okay, here it is. It has a lot of sunrays. I was just learning how to use the lighting effect, and the trees are super okay. And a cottage with a chimney and stuff. It's pretty small, that's basically it. So let's get to the next one. Okay, the next one is called Snowy Mountainside Cabin Showcase. It was made in December too. It was by this group that I made for all my showcases, and yeah. Okay, here it is. It has like this flying tree that I didn't realize I put, and like the sun rays are overpowering. They're like blinding, but it has this cabin with this, and these are free models, so I didn't quite know how to build quite like that good. These are all free models too, but I made the cabin, and I really think that this effect is pretty and makes it look like realistic. Yeah, that's basically it. Alright, this next one I made is called Forest Ruin Showcase from the same group. It was made in January, so let's get into it. Okay, here it is. This is definitely my favorite one I made because the lighting is not too overpowering and the trees look super good. There's a staircase and then a pathway leading to this thing. I don't really know what it is, but it has a chair and vegetation, moss, and this waterfall. I was still like getting used to lighting and building like with, I don't even know, just like nature, I guess. And this water, and I was getting used to lighting too since I was just learning how to do it. I will definitely make a lighting tutorial if you guys want one. Yeah, that's basically it for this one. Alright, this next one is called Sunset Forest Island Showcase from the same group. It was made in February of 2021, so let's join it. Alright, here it is. I really love these trees. They look super realistic, and there's a bench. This is the first showcase that I made with a sunset, and I think that it's pretty good. I really like the water, like it looks super like real, and the sunset's super pretty, and I like how I added a bench here to watch the sunset, and you can like swim into the sunset. So yeah, that's basically it for this one. Alright, the final one. I accidentally did the sunset one, which was made in February before this one. This one was actually the second showcase that I made. The third one that I made. It was made in December of 2020. Yeah, Alright, here it is. It's like the trees, like as you can see, they're like glitchy for some reason. I'm not quite sure why. But this showcase is basically the forest with like a pathway leading to, I don't even know, it's just like a nature walk. The sun rays are super overpowering again, so I definitely think I could use some different trees. But that's it for this video. If you guys want any more videos like this, let me know. And if you have any other video ideas, let me know in the comments. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.